Oh my goodness gracious.
Oh my god.
We gotta go.
Yeah. There's no reason. How much horsepower this got?
It's got a sleek.
Don't lie.
Fine. And
Nah, so you lying.
it's fine. Yo, it's stock, bro. It's stock, bro.
It's not stock.
It's stock. You mad at me because my car's stock.
That's not stock.
It's stock, bro.
That's not stock.
Hold on. What you just did?
Put it in this,
and then took it out?
yeah.
Because I'm like, when you revved this shit,
Oh, it went
it
on.
went on. I was like,
Does it sound the same? Valve open or not?
it sounds exactly the same.
I feel like it had a little bit more crackle pop. That's just me. What do I know though?
Not much. It smells like,
E85 or something.
yeah.
Don't smell like no 93.
I mean, it has to be 93.
It smells like something.
Right? But it kind of smells like performance. Like, it's not a bad smell.
Jesus Christ.
It's on back.
Which way is better, left? Hurry up. Let me concentrate. This shit is tough. Oh my god.
They just cut off this bus. This road is fucked up, so I'll show you now.
It feels like it's going.
Yeah.
Like when I let off the gas, it don't stop.
Yeah, it's
Like it kind of
it's-
just
it's
goes.
Still trying to climb.
Yeah.
It's definitely still trying to climb.
Am I explaining that right? You know what I mean though, right?
Yeah.
Like it don't feel like usually when you let off the gas, it slows down.
This
But it
shit
sounds
is
like it feels like it's still going.
Like it's pulling, like it still wants to go.
Yeah. Huh? Right.
Oh, let me just stop. It's disgusting.
We did it with this one.
That's an efficient, right?
That's an
You put it in
efficient.
sport.
I didn't even realize. Yeah, that's an
I
efficient.
feel like it sounds the same almost though.
I feel like a little
That
bit more
was
crap.
different. Yeah, that was different. Yeah. It's not that.
My fault.
Puppy?
What's this?
I don't know.
We're gonna go to our thing.
Not so well, they got. Nah, right there. Vehicle information. Yes, nigga. Vehicle information. Act like you've been able. Vehicle status. Battery discharge. See how it says flat? Go back to it. Vehicle status.
What's that about?
What?
Flat tire monitor?
You see how it's spelled?
Oh. That shit is tough.
just like, ooh,
It feels healthy.
like
100%.
like whatever you want to throw at me,
It feels healthy.
throw at me.
Sounds good. I like the turbo spools
Yeah,
now.
spool is nuts, bro.
Why you go this way? It's whack ass roads.
All of the roads are black.
No. No.
Don't be sniffing. What you smell?
You know what I smell? I smell the downpipe. That's what I fucking smell. That's what I smell like. Yeah. You ever smell a car with like downpipes? How it smells like gas?
A lot of detune and shit.
Why? You smell it?
Yeah, I smell it. Yeah.
That's a downpipe. Yeah.
Until it's not. You relax? Like, fuck. Need to ride at the light. Good cop?
Mm-hmm.
No bullshit.
100%. Amazing fucking. I'm jealous. My shit don't have no goodies compared to yours.
At least you know what to do.
Yo,
You
fucking up.
just gotta open your shit
Fucking
up.
up performance. The fuck?
It was cold.
Fuck out of here. This shit is beast.
That's ridiculous. Whose F10 screen is touchscreen?
Nobody's.
That's what I'm saying.
This shit dies so fast. I'm at 3% already.
You gonna pull back?